Hey, what's going on? Got another one here. By another one, I mean another one. I hit up the, I forget what the sale was. I think it was a boxing sale. But you know, basically right after the holidays. Wasn't going to, but couldn't pass up the deal, and I did tell myself that if another deal came around, I would have to pick up the matching one to my Kenobi Phantom Menace Saber. So, unboxing. Haven't seen it yet. If you can guess what it is, obviously the box, nice, cool box like usual. I'll build a little suspense here, but you can probably imagine what it is when I say matching one. But the usual, the decals, instruction, the display stand, which I am using a couple of back here, the tool kit. So you got your charging cable, screws, Allen key, blade plug, and the Theory Sabers plaque. We shall toss all that back in here for now. This one I did not because of the saber, just because I didn't have one yet. I opted for the 36-inch blade. Normally I don't go like that long, but the reason I wanted a 36-inch was because my one conversion for my Ultra Sabers to the Xenopixel, I went with the 36 because the saber sits quite low in that emitter. So when putting a 32 in there, it actually only is a 28-inch. So this way, I figured I'd grab a 36. So that when I am using that one, it is a 32. So the important bit here, we won't ramble too much on this one. The matching one to young Kenobi. If you didn't guess, Qui Gon. I said in that video that I would eventually get Qui Gon's, and I wasn't lying. Just didn't think it would be that soon. But I guess, you know, what happens, happens. So, yep. Just as I expected it to be, it is very pretty. Very nice. Nice and sturdy. You know, minimal, simple, yet elegant. Proffie internals, and the prequel pack. Just, you know, because you got to have the prequel sounds on here. So this one's kind of cool. You know, normally you'd unscrew the pommel and, you know, your speaker's right there. That's normally how you would pop the internals out on, you know, some of the other ones to get to them. On the Qui Gon one, however, you're actually gonna unscrew, and I think I did this. You unscrew the top, and I didn't even turn it around and look. There's your battery. I just looked at the Proffie board with the plug for that and the SD card there. The removable part is the top, so it's actually where the pins are for the blade. And once you remove that, you've got your battery and your USB-C charging port right there. So still a completely removable, but the bottom half of the chassis that would normally be removable on most is what is stationary, and the top half's what comes out. And then there, right there, there's your activation button. So it only goes in one way, so you can't really mess that up. And you just push it in. You're good to go. She has a single button. That must have been Anakin's. That was a nice deep throaty one. But single button here. Does have the CoverTech wheel on it as well, so that's kind of nice. I believe, yep, Kenobi's comes with it also. There's Kenobi's. Can't remember how to go back on single button. Nope, that wasn't it. I don't remember how exactly to go backwards on single button, so we'll just go. Not going to go through all these because I already did on the Kenobi one for the prequel. Yeah, what you call it? The prequel sound font package. So we'll have to, you'll have to check that one out in order to see and or hear all the prequels. But we'll toss a blade in just to see what she looks like. Blade in. Count Dooku. On the Qui Gon hilt. Why not? I'm getting a little bit of a rattle from the inside. I'll have to take a look at that, but I mean, overall, this hilt is very, gesture control is very nice. Actually wouldn't be bad for spinning because there's only the one button. There's nothing else really on it. It actually seems to be like it would be, it's a little bit longer, not too much actually. Could be good for a two-handed. I could see that being a good two-hander. There's Windu.
Master Yoda. Anakin. Obi Wons.
Oh, there we go.
Darth Sidious.
I think I'm going backwards now.
General Grievous. Jedi, prepare for death. Now this is what this is called Jar Binks.
It's still entertaining. The Jar Jar one.
The chat is no good to me dead.
There we go. Just had to get to the Qui-Gon one. This will be a short video, but I gotta display the Qui-Gon, or show off the Qui-Gon hilt with. That's not the right color. That's fine. We can change that. Oh wait, no. Sorry. That was Obi-Wan in Qui-Gon's voice. I'm paying attention. There we go. Probably change that opening one so I don't get that messed up. Let's try this again. Can't show off the Qui-Gon hilt without the Qui-Gon sound font. Yep, this one looks great with the green. Yeah, let that adjust there. This looks great with the green. Just, oh, yep. Love it. Absolutely love it. This hilt is beautiful. It is well made. I don't see any defects on it at all. It feels solid. I honestly thought, I don't know why I thought this, but I thought this would all be plastic. You know, because any of the rest of them have been plastic as well. I don't understand why I was thinking that, but it is not. It is all very nice machined metal. It's actually up close and in person. It's interesting to see them, not, you know, on like the movie screen. To actually see, and it freeze up there a couple times. To actually see what it looks like, you know, to see what they were actually using in the movies. So this is another beautiful hilt, going to be added to the collection. Yep. Droid. Dead droid. Yeah, this one's nice. This one is definitely nice. But yeah. Okay. Figured out what the little bit of rattle was. The cap on the what do you call it? The pommel. This bottom piece is just a little bit loose, but again, like I said in previous videos, oh, would you look at that? It's threaded, and I fixed it. It's not a huge issue. I'm not one to complain when, you know, little things like that have issues. I literally just screwed it back in. I'll toss some Loctite on there, and that'll be good to go. And we got no issues whatsoever. Look at that. Perfect. Back on. Rattle is gone. Looks like you'd actually take that off, honestly, if you wanted more sound to come out. So we'll try this here. I'm going to keep this under 15 minutes. Yep, so if you really wanted to, don't whack any of the fleet off the shelf here. You can take that off and have it even more open so you get more sound coming through. Or you can have it on, you know, to be completely correct looking, and it'll block out a little bit of the opening, cut down a little bit on the sound, but actually I don't mind that comes off, because, you know, yeah, I can have a little bit more sound if I want to. So, all right, that is the quick video on the Qui Gon Saber from Theory Sabers with the Proffie internals and the prequels sound font package. A+, gold star, 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 5. I likes it a lot. It'll be looking amazing right next to the Kenobi one. Other than that, oh, that was a sound of, okay, the top unscrews there. Other than that, stay tuned. I've got the Latha coming up. I have SN internals ordered for that, just waiting for them to come in. And then I'm going to do a little review on that as well. That's all we got. Hit that like, subscribe if you haven't. And we look forward to some more videos in the future. Thank you. See you later.